If you love vintage Americana
and classic cars and you're anywhere near Gillette, Wyoming,
then you gotta stop at the Frontier Relics Auto Museum.
I'm Jamie.
I'm Linda.
And this is Roaming with Rosie.
We were in Gillette, Wyoming for the FMCA International Rally, and that's where we learned of the Frontier Auto Museum, so we planned some time to go there. It has a 5-star rating on TripAdvisor, and you may have seen it featured on PBS. This is not your typical auto museum. This is a 13,000 square foot trip through time, and a must-see if you are anywhere near the state of Wyoming, or even a reason to plan a trip to Wyoming. The museum's founder, Jeff Wandler, got his bug for collecting from his dad, who had a fondness for old Hudsons. Together, they found old gas and oil can memorabilia, and they began restoring their collection. They even found an old gas station and had it moved to the shop on his dad's ranch, which already was fitted with a crane, weld shop, and paint booth. But it became too nice to work in with their collection all around it. After his dad passed, Jeff purchased a building that had been an old 1940s Ford dealership in Gillette. He opened the museum in 2016 and recreated that shop in the museum, complete with it all, including the crane and weld shop. It's a family affair. Jeff's wife Tammy and daughter Brianna are also collectors. Tammy's obsession is antique toys and other relics. All of this is incorporated into the museum, which is what makes it so unique. This museum is a way for their shared passion of collecting to have a purpose and bring joy to everyone who stops by. This 1965 Mercury truck was purchased for daughter Brianna, who had inherited the desire for historical cars and wanted this for her graduation. There's even a drive-in theater that shows classic movies, including old commercials, and you're welcome to sit and watch. And if you're only able to visit as a virtual guest, that's not a problem. They have a free guided tour of the museum on their website.
Well, when she wrapped her loving arms around my neck on the dance floor at Chelsea's bar, I should have turned her away, but I was out of sea. I was firing, she was gasoline. But we were both sad and lonely after what death had done. But like rattlesnakes kicked across the ground. Our true loves were dead and our hearts were full of grief. I was firing, she was gasoline, good God. I was firing, she was gasoline. But we helped each other outlaw to ease some of the pain. Best friends and lovers most of the time. But I would go mad when she would turn mean. I was firing, she was gasoline. Yeah, I was firing, she was gasoline.
I had a bike like that, but that one looks actually a little newer than what mine would have been. If you enjoyed the nostalgia of the museum, you can take the feeling home, literally. The Relics Store is a gift and antique shop inside the museum. You can purchase antiques, collectibles, vinyl records which you're welcome to play, and it's an authorized Pendleton Woolen Mills retailer as well. They also sell online, so there's a link in this video's description.
Well, she left me as many times as I threw her out. Should we stay together or apart?
After our tour, we visited the Commodore Cafe for some lunch. They have gourmet brats, milkshakes, and more. It was really good. We saw a lot of locals stopping by the cafe for coffees or lunch to go. Just like you remember Real Coke tasting?
Yeah.
Many events are held here, from a stage for open mic evenings to weddings and other celebrations. Thanks for watching this episode of Roaming with Rosie.
If you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button in the corner of this video.
And do click that bell, because that way you'll be notified each time we upload a new episode.
And we love hearing from you, so make sure to leave a comment. That way you could be part of the conversation.
Until next time, see
We'll
ya.
See ya. Hey roamers, we hope you enjoyed this episode of Roaming with Rosie. For more information regarding this video, please check out the links in the video description below,
as well as products and equipment we use and recommend. We sometimes do receive a small commission when you use our links for purchases, which is a great way at no additional cost to you to help offset some of our production costs. Thank you so much for watching and sharing our videos and subscribing to Roaming with Rosie. We'd love to hear from you and encourage your comments and questions. Until next time, see ya.